Hey there! Today, I'm so excited to show you my submission for WWDC 2024 SSC. This year's topic revolves around Git, and I've prepared an interactive tutorial tailored for beginners. So let's dive right in. Git offers powerful collaboration features, enabling seamless merging of code from different contributors. Whether you are developing a new feature or fixing bugs, Git ensures that your work integrates smoothly with others, resulting in a unified codebase. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through some fundamental yet invaluable commands used in the terminal. These commands, including setup, tracking, committing, merging, and pushing and pulling, are indispensable for any project, allowing you to manage your code efficiently. The tutorial follows the learn and try approach. I'll introduce a command, explain its usage, and then provide an opportunity for you to practice. So for instance, when learning how to push to a specific branch, you can click on the terminal button here, which will open a sheet that contains a terminal input here. You can type the command you've just learned to validate it. So git push. To aid beginners, a completion helper feature is available, assisting with the correct order of arguments. So first we need a remote, so I type maybe origin here. And next we need the branch name, so I type main. And I hit return. Yeah, that's correct. Once you're familiar with the individual commands, we'll explore more complex scenarios involving collaborations. Imagine working with teammates Craig, Bob, and Charlie on a shared project. So in this page, you can select the person to act. For example, here I'm going to act as Craig, and I hit the start working button here to enter a macOS experience. And first, I need to create a repository locally. I'm going to type git init. So first, I need to initialize a Git repository. So, great. And now I'm just working on this project and just working on some files like content view, some awesome app.swift here, and I need to stage the first commit. So I like to use git commit. I need to stage everything in this project, and with a message of first commit, right? Maybe like this. All right, cool. And then I need to push this code base to the remote so I can collaborate with other two coworkers. So I can type git remote add with the origin. This is the name. And I can copy this repository and paste it here. This is a repository created in GitHub. Okay, and then we need to push it to the remote. So git push origin, and the branch is main, and return. Okay, so now Craig is inviting people, and you can see Bob is working. He is working on a shader, a metal shader. And Charlie is working as well. He is resolving a touching bug here. Alright, they're all finished. And now Craig is fetching the changes from the remote. Okay, so what I need to do is to merge these two branches into main branch and then push it to remote. So first I need to merge the new feature branch here. So git merge new feature. Okay, and then I need to merge the bug fix merge bug fix. So if I type in a wrong command, so for example, from bug fix, it will give you a command prompt here, and then you can type the correct command. So bug fix. Okay. All right. And now we can push it to the remote. So git push origin main. Cool. So thank you for joining me. And if you are an applicant of this year's SSC, good luck to you and me as well. So see you next year.